Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to show similar products on your account on Pinterest easy and quick. First click on your profile, now click here and now click settings, now click social permissions and here you will find it. Just click on it and it will be turned on, and that's it. That's how to show similar products on your account on Pinterest easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.